Hello everyone, this is Ryan Beardsley with Beardsley Auction Service LLC located in Lowell, Ohio. Here you have the Ford 1720 compact four-wheel drive tractor that we have selling in May of 2025 at beardsleyauctions.com. That's BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. This is a nice little tractor. It has brand new front tires on it. The front tires do not have an hour's worth of travel time on them. I was the first person to put minutes use on these tires, and it's just been moving things around here in the yard, in the field, trying to get prepared for this auction. Good rubber on the back tires as well. You'll get a good view of those here in just a minute. This tractor has 2,463 hours on it. Expect that to be a little bit higher when you buy it. By the time you come and pick it up, it'll probably have more like 2,465, maybe even as many as 2,470 hours on this tractor by the time you come and pick it up. Again, this is a four-wheel drive tractor, nice little piece, runs really well. There is some power steering noise in the power steering pump. It does work, but I want you to be aware of that before you buy it. We're going to pop the hood on this after making one lap around it for the video. We'll pop the hood on it so you can actually hear the noise yourself. But the tractor does work, the tractor does drive, operate, everything seems to work. So I'm going to go ahead and fire it up for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be happy to get back to you. So again, folks, this Ford 1720 four-wheel drive tractor sells at beardsleyauctions.com. That's BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. We've used this tractor moving pallets around here at the farm. We've also ran a brush hog with it a little bit, drug a few things with it. Nice little tractor. So good luck bidding at the auction. Thanks for watching the video.